see XRP is at 269, and it's Monday, March 3rd, 2025. Now, it was at 2 um I believe it was at 225 2 days ago, right? And the reason I say this is because if someone tells me right now, yo, I have $1,000, right? $1,000. And you ask me, how should I invest this $1,000? You know what I would tell you? It's not a lot of money to buy a house, an investment property. It's not enough also, you know, to buy a business. $1,000 is not a lot of money. But let me tell you something. Let me tell you my testimonial, right? I grew my money quick like this within a few months from investing into XRP. I invested, like, I will say, I'm gonna say the exact number, but it was more than $1,000, right? Now I doubled my earnings. I doubled, right? My investment already within a few months. Now you also gotta realize XRP is very bipolar right now. Trump is a pro crypto president, right? That's the reason why XRP skyrocketed yesterday, last night. Now listen. XRP, the highest is hit, it was 340 or 350, I believe. I can't remember from the top of my head, right? That is nothing compared to what it's gonna go up to. You see, XRP is gonna hit, it's gonna be breaking numbers. It's gonna go to $5, $10, $20, and beyond. It's not gonna, it's not a, it's too big, right? It's too big of a coin to flop. It's just not. It can't. I will say that it just can't, right? So listen, I have doubled my earnings already. My portfolio, my XRP portfolio, it grew over 50%. I doubled my money. And you could do the same thing because eventually XRP will hit 100, 10, 5, 200 per coin. This is like Bitcoin, right? And I'm being serious. I have proof too. But I can't think about another coin that's gonna do this besides maybe XLM. XLM also might do this. Um, and a few others, right? But that's for another video. If you're seeing this, get into XRP right now. It's gonna go up, and people say, "Oh, I missed it when I was at it was at 50 cents." Okay, that's fine. You missed it. That's fine, but don't miss it again. Because if you think $2 or $3 is a lot, yes, it is a lot compared to when it was at 50%. Dude, what about when it hits $10, $5? Then you're gonna be like, damn, I should have bought at two something, right? So the second best time to invest into XRP is right now. You have my word. I put this on everything I love. I'm a believer of God. I believe in Jesus Christ. I will never lie. Get into XRP right now. It's the best thing. You don't lose your value. You don't lose your coins. If it goes down, your coins are still there. So when it goes up, because it is gonna go up, your value's there. You don't lose it. Don't try to catch a meme coin. I almost did that, with the Trump. When Trump came out, I missed it, by the way, because I was doing something. I was busy. I just missed it. But I'm not saying that won't work, but build a foundation. So if you have $1,000 and you don't know where to invest it, XRP, 100%.